Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see the rules of divisibility for year 4 students. Let's get started. Rules of divisibility. A number is divisible by 2, 5 and 10. What are the rules to follow? If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that means it is a even number, then it is divisible by 2. If the last digit is 0 and 5 only, it is divisible by 5. If the last digit is 0, it is divisible by 10. Let's see the next rules here. A number is divisible by 3 and 9. What are the rules? If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 9. Let's solve few questions to understand this concept here. Is 64 divisible by 2? Let's look at the last digit here because he's asking us divisibility by 2. So I have to look for the ones place. Ones place is 4, which is an even number. That means this number is divisible by 2. Let's write down answer as yes here. Is 54 divisible by 3? What is our divisibility rule? Our divisibility rule is if you add all the digits, it should be divisible by 3. Let's add 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. That means 54 is also divisible by 3. So my answer is yes. Let's see the third example here. Is 537 divisible by 3? The same rule, we need to add the numbers. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. Let's see the next example here. Is 728 divisible by 2? Divisibility by 2. Let's look at the last digit. Last digit is 8 here, which is at the ones place, which is an even number. That means 728 is divisible by 2 and our answer is yes here. Let's see the next example here. Is 45 divisible by 5? Let's look at the last digit here. Last digit should be either 0 or 5. So this is 5. So that means 45 is divisible by 5. Our answer is yes here. Is 452 divisible by 9? What is our rule? Add the digits. It should be divisible by 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 is not divisible by 9. That means this number is not divisible by 9. Our answer is no here. Let's see the next example here. Is 139 divisible by 3? Let's add the digits here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So my answer is no here. Let's see the next example. Is 670 divisible by 10? What is our divisibility rule? The ones place should be 0 here. Is ones place 0 here? Yes, we have, right? So that means this number is divisible by 10 and my answer is yes here. Let's see the next example here. Is 423 divisible by 10? Let's look at the last digit, which is at the ones place. Ones place is 3. It is not 0. That means this number is not divisible by 10. My answer will be no here. Let's see the next example here. Is 87 divisible by 2? Let's see the last digit, which is at the ones place. Ones place is 7, which is odd number. Odd number is not divisible by 2. So my answer here is no. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.